Hey everybody, welcome back to Retired Renovators. As I mentioned in the last video, we are pretty much done with the carriage house and making plans now to head over to the big brick house for renovations. But before we do that, we have a few more things that we want to talk about that we did in the carriage house that we thought were pretty ingenious, and then also be able to show you the final product of the whole thing. So in this episode, I want to talk about how we finished the exposed beams. So let's go and we'll talk about it.
What was the other thing I was going to say? Yeah. Uh-oh.
So once these beams got up, we stared at them for a pretty long time, knowing that we wanted them to stay exposed, but we needed to cover them up somehow or make them look nicer. And we went through all sorts of issues. Should we paint them? Should we apply some texture to them? Should we get these faux beams that you can stick up on the exposed wood? All sorts of things that we considered. We didn't want to spend a lot of money, and so after a lot of conversation, we came up with what we think is a pretty great idea, and we were able to finish these beams, 2 beams in the floating shelf, for under $100. So let me show you how we did it. So that's it. Those are our exposed beams in the kitchen and in the bedroom, and we love them. Super happy how they came out. Inexpensive, but looks great, and I learned a whole lot about how to finish things. And at the end of the video, in the description, you'll see the link for building the beam. If you want to know how to do that by yourself, that Gary did by himself, check out that link and it will take you to his blog. Hope to see you next time. Meanwhile, hit the subscribe button. It takes just a second. It's good for our YouTube analytics, and it doesn't cost anything. All right, thanks for watching. See y'all soon. Bye.